For weeks, maybe even months, many of you have been hearing about Hedera. Some might even call it a sleeping giant. Well, wakey wakey, because that giant just rolled over and is starting to stomp its feet. Just recently, we saw HBAR absolutely erupt with another 25% surge, blasting past the 24-cent mark, a level we haven't seen since way back in May. This isn't just a random pump, guys. This is the culmination of steady, consistent accumulation. Hedera is now officially one of the top-performing large-cap crypto assets in this current market cycle. Let that sink in. But what's really driving this momentum? Is it just retail FOMO? Or is there something much, much bigger at play here? My research and the latest intel points to some monumental developments. The kind of news that doesn't just move markets, it redefines an entire ecosystem. First up, and this is huge, Hedera was just named the ledger layer for verifiable compute. Now what the heck is verifiable compute? Think about this, it's a cutting-edge sovereign AI solution. And who's behind it? Brace yourselves. EQT Lab, NVIDIA, Scan UK, and Accenture. Yes, you heard that right. NVIDIA, the undisputed king of AI hardware. This isn't some backroom deal, folks. This is a powerful integration that will use Hedera's consensus service with NVIDIA's revolutionary Blackwell architecture to secure AI workflows in critical sectors like defense, health, and public administration. Why does this matter? Because enterprise-grade use cases like this aren't about fleeting trends. They attract longer-term, deep-pocketed institutional capital. This isn't your cousin's dog coin. This is the backbone of future global infrastructure. This is the kind of utility and adoption that can support sustained, long-term price appreciation. It validates Hedera's technology on a scale we haven't seen for many blockchain projects. But wait, there's more. The Hedera ecosystem isn't just sitting back and watching the big players, it's bustling with incredible innovation, building out its own robust infrastructure. Case in point, Orbit, a groundbreaking new DeFi platform, is about to launch on Hedera. Now I know what you're thinking, another DeFi platform, big deal. But Orbit is different. In the typically chaotic and fragmented world of decentralized finance, Orbit is offering a complete package. Imagine this. A single dashboard where users can monitor their entire portfolio, get real-time market analysis, and even audit token risks directly. No more jumping between a dozen different platforms. This is about DeFi efficiency and user experience on a whole new level. This could truly be a game changer for HBAR DeFi liquidity and adoption. And speaking of global reach, just on July 11th, the SALT app officially launched. This is a massive South Korean trading application that gives users access to over 30 different blockchain networks. Crucially, it's now offering Hedera-based DeFi incentives. What does this mean? It means retail users, especially from the massive and crypto-savvy Asian market, can now connect directly to the HBAR ecosystem with unprecedented ease. This is a direct pipeline for new capital and new users. This is about global expansion and tapping into a market hungry for innovation. And if that wasn't enough to get your pulse racing, get this. Hedera is also deeply involved in a monumental project with the Reserve Bank of Australia and the Finance Cooperative Research Centre, or DFCRC. What are they exploring? The potential of digital currency. Think about the implications of this. Out of hundreds of applicants, only 24 use cases were selected for the next phase of this highly exclusive, high-stakes project. And guess who made the cut? You guessed it, Hedera. This isn't just theoretical. This is about real-world, governmental-level exploration of digital currencies on the Hedera network. This screams regulatory adoption, central bank digital currency potential, and institutional trust. These are the kinds of developments that underpin long-term sustainable growth, far beyond the speculative surges we often see. All these monumental announcements have already sent HBAR into a frenzy. We've seen the token surge over 14% in just the last 24 hours, and the trading volume absolutely exploded by nearly 60% to a staggering $875 million. This isn't just a retail-driven pump, my friends. This kind of volume, this kind of sustained upward pressure, strongly suggests significant institutional investor participation. The big money is noticing. The smart money is moving. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. According to the highly respected crypto analyst Master Ananda, what we're seeing right now, this is just the beginning. He believes Hedera has an incredibly strong technical structure that positions it for a potential move of more than 153% from its current price. Let's break down Ananda's bullish thesis because this is where the rubber meets the road. He points to three critical technical signals. He says HBAR is currently trading above three important exponential moving averages: the 55 EMA, the 89 EMA, and the 233 EMA. For those of you new to technical analysis, these EMAs are dynamic support and resistance levels. When an asset trades above them, especially the longer-term ones like the 233 EMA, it's a powerful sign of sustained bullish momentum. It means the price is holding strong above its average price over these periods. And get this, HBAR has posted green candles for 5 consecutive days. Think about that, 5 days of consistent upward movement. This gives it a significant advantage over many other assets in the market that are still struggling to break above these crucial averages. In the world of charts and trading, this isn't just a number, it's a flashing neon sign that says buyers are dominating the market. Ananda calls this a confirmed bullish structure. This is the HBAR bullish signal we've been waiting for. He also emphasizes paying close attention to other key indicators like the relative strength index and the price's position relative to Fibonacci levels. The more indicators that align and point towards strong buying pressure, the higher the probability of a significant price surge. This is about stacking the odds in your favor, understanding the market psychology and trading volume dynamics behind the moves. Now here's a critical warning from Ananda, and honestly, it's one I completely echo: don't rush into a rising token. The crypto market is, super fast, it's exhilarating, but it can also be really unforgiving. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, is a real thing and it can cost you dearly. So, my advice, it's far more sensible to prepare a plan. Do your due diligence. Find assets that genuinely fit your technical and fundamental criteria, just like we're doing with HBAR right now, and then buy and hold. This isn't a quick sprint. For assets with this kind of fundamental strength, it's a marathon. When you combine these factors, cutting-edge technology enterprise partnerships, expanding ecosystem, and strong technical indicators, you get a recipe for something truly special. Hedera isn't just another crypto project. It's building the foundational layer for some of the most critical technologies of our future. The question isn't if Hedera is going to make big moves. The question is, are you prepared to ride this wave? Because if these trends continue, and yeah, all signs point to yes, then HBAR's next big move could be the one that puts it squarely on the map for good. Before we wrap up, a very important disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. All content in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and inherently risky. You could lose some or all of your invested capital. Always conduct your own thorough research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is not financial advice. Alright fam, if you found this deep dive into Hedera valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my urgent updates. Let me know in the comments. What are your thoughts on HBAR? Are you bullish? Bearish? What price target are you watching? I read every single comment. Until next time, stay safe out there, do your own research, and let's navigate these markets together. Peace.